Today, I'll show you how to create email templates in Pipedrive. If you're looking to streamline your email communication and save time on repetitive tasks, then this guide is just what you need. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to set up and use email templates in Pipedrive, making your workflow much more efficient. To get started, open your web browser and head over to pipedrive.com. This is your first step towards creating customized email templates that will ease your communication tasks. Once you've logged in, direct your attention to the navigation bar. Here, you'll find the Sales Inbox option. Click on it to proceed. The Sales Inbox is where all your email magic happens in Pipedrive. Next, you'll want to initiate a new email. Look for the New Email button and click on it. This is where you'll begin crafting your template. After clicking, you'll notice a Choose Template drop-down menu. Go ahead and click on that. This drop-down is your gateway to managing your existing templates and creating new ones. With the drop-down menu open, you'll see an option labeled Manage Template. Select this to enter the template management area. In this section, you have the flexibility to create, edit, and organize your email templates. Now, look for the Add New Template button and give it a click. This is where the creation of your new template truly begins. At this point, you'll be prompted to enter a name for your template. Make sure to choose a descriptive name that will help you easily identify its purpose later on. Once you've named your template, it's important to select its visibility settings. This determines who can access and use the template. Consider whether this template is for personal use or if it's something you'd like to share with your team. Now it's time to move on to the subject line of your email template. Enter a subject that captures the essence of your message. A well-crafted subject line is crucial as it's the first thing your recipients will see. As you enter the subject, you'll also notice that there's an option to insert fields. This feature allows you to personalize your emails by automatically filling in details like the recipient's name or company, making your communication more engaging. With the subject and field set, you're ready to dive into the main content of your email template. Enter the body of your message, ensuring that it's clear and concise. This is where you can really make your template shine by including all the necessary information you want to convey. Once you're satisfied with your template, don't forget to save your work. Look for the Save button and click it to finalize your template. Saving ensures that all your hard work is preserved and ready for future use. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully created an email template in Pipedrive. This simple process will help you maintain consistency in your messaging and save valuable time. Remember, you can always return to the template management section to make edits or create additional templates as your communication needs evolve. Thanks for tuning in and happy emailing.